Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the police have launched a manhunt for a man accused of fatally chopping his 8-month-old son and injuring his common-law wife in Manchester this morning. The incident affected the sitting of the PEP exam by grade 4 students at one primary school and has left the community in shock. TVJ's Kirk Wright tells us more in this Primetime News report.
An 8-month-old baby was chopped to death today at her home on McKinley Road, Mandeville. The child's mother was also severely chopped all over her body and was admitted to hospital where she's said to be in a stable condition. The mother, who is a grade 4 teacher at the Ramble Primary School, was one of the teachers scheduled to administer the grade 4 performance-based tests that took place today.
The PEP exam, the grade 4 literacy test, has been rescheduled, and I believe that it will not be held tomorrow because the students are still grieving, they are traumatized, and so while school may be open tomorrow, we are not looking for the regular operations of school because the students will still be receiving some counseling.
The woman's common-law husband is believed to be the person who carried out the gruesome act. Reports are that the woman told him she wanted to end the relationship.
When I spoke to the principal, he was really heartbroken and crestfallen. And we just want to appeal to persons when they're having challenges to let somebody know about the challenge that they're having so they can speak to them. Because this young man has really caused severe pain to an entire family, to the school population, to the students, and to Miss Walters' colleagues. I offer my sincere sympathies on behalf of the constituency to the school family, Raquel's family, and hope that her life will be spared.
His motor car was found burnt out in Poros. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.